Come test drive the 2018 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power door locks, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth upholstery, low tire pressure warning. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Come see the car for yourself.